Hello YouTube, this is Kaz Bingo, and I'm going to show you a simple and easy way on how to tie a tie. This is the first knot I learned how to tie, and I learned it when I was 27, which is a bit embarrassing, so I thought I'd make this video to help out my fellow man. So I'm starting off with the fat end on my right hand side, and it hangs about twice as low as the narrow end, which is on my left hand side. So first I cross the fat end in front of the narrow end, and I pinch them at about 1/4 of the way down my chest. So now I have the fat end on my left facing you, or the outside of it, or the front face of it is facing you. Now I wrap it around the back where I'm pinching. And you don't have to pinch too hard, because then it makes things harder later on. Just pinch hard enough so you can hold it. So now I have the fat end on my right hand side, and the underside of it is facing you. And now I wrap it around the pinch point again. So now the fat end is back to my left hand side with its front face facing you. Now you want to take the fat end and go from underneath and pull it up through the middle, where your neck is. So now you should have the front of the fat end facing you again. And now this is the most trickiest part. You should have a little opening that you made in your pinch point. I don't know if you can see it. And you have to take the fat end and you pull it through that opening. And I don't actually have a mirror in front of me, but just looking down on it, it looks okay. Perhaps not 100%, but okay for the purposes of this demonstration. So now you just adjust the height by pulling down on the thin end, and you push up with your hand, with the other hand. And then you pull the thin end through the sleeves at the back of the fat end. And that's it. You adjust your collar and you should be all set to go. Again, I don't have a mirror, so hopefully this looks okay. I'll be uploading some more how to tie videos on my channel. For now, that's all. Thanks.